Well, hello, my mad scrappers. This is your mad scrapper, your friendly neighborhood mad scrapper with a public service announcement. I'm just reminding you guys that you have until 11:59 tonight, Sunday, January 29, to enter in the Mad Scrapper Filled Another Jumbo Jet 1000 subscriber giveaway. Yay! So don't forget, guys, don't miss out on my giveaway. And I'm going to link you down below in the description box to the rules and the link to where to go to enter. And I will also link you, you'll see it in a second, a link to the video, my reveal video showing you what the prizes are and everything. So guys, don't miss out. Hello, it's a freebie. How better can I make this? All right. I just want to give back to you guys everything that you and try at least for all the support that you've been, for being here, for putting up with my madness. So I want to share. I've been very blessed. I've been very fortunate, and I want to give back and pay it forward to you guys. So thanks a lot again, always, for being there, for hanging out with me. And don't forget, enter. Don't be a dummy. Come on over. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go because you have crafting to do, and so do I. All right, so go craft, make something beautiful. And again, don't ever forget, we're all a little mad here, people. So come on, craft and madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.